Well, hello, beautiful people. Today we're going to be learning all about the wonderful, wonderful, glorious cloud. So, we're going to do a quick science experiment together. So, here I have a pressure pump. So, this is just a regular foot bike pump. It allows me to add pressure to things. I have a trusty dusty bottle and I have some alcohol. So we are going to be creating a cloud. So we've already discussed the water cycle. So you might know from former experience that clouds need a liquid and that clouds form when things condense. So let's get a little bit more into what does it actually mean for something to condense. So I'm using alcohol for our lab. Why am I using alcohol? Well, we've already discussed evaporation rates. So the evaporation rate of alcohol is actually a lot shorter than water. So in order to just kind of like speed this experiment up, we're just going to use alcohol. So in order to do this, I'm going to create my cloud in a bottle. So why am I creating it in a bottle? Well, again, when we talk about condensation, condensation happens when those droplets that are water vapor start getting closer and closer, and then they merge, and then they create, bigger droplets. And when those big droplets come together, they create a cloud. So in order to simulate that in a controlled environment, I'm going to use a bottle. So I'm going to start by adding just a touch, just a smidgen of alcohol to my bottle. No hard, no foul, just a little fumble. We good. So I'm going to add a little bit of alcohol to my bottle, not a lot. And then I am going to see how this is liquid. I need the vapor. So in order to release those vapors, I'm just going to swirl it around my bottle. So if there's less liquid on the surface, again, the evaporation rate is quick, guys, with alcohol. So we're going to go ahead and let that sit. And now I'm going to add my pressure pump. So why am I adding this pump? Well, again, we want to make those molecules come together quicker. So if we know anything about pressure, pressure is when you apply pressure. So you're squeezing things and you're decreasing the density between molecules. So what this air pump allows me to do is to push those alcohol droplets, our vapors, together to accelerate that condensation. So I have my bottle, I have my vapor, I have my pressure, which is going to allow me to push those molecules together, not adding that pressure. And what do we have? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a cloud in a bottle. Liquid's out, cloud still in the bottle. So what do we need to form a cloud? Well, we need a liquid, we need vapor, we need pressure, we need those molecules to be condensed via condensation to create a cloud. So I hope you have enjoyed this demo and that you get a little bit more learning today. We're going to continue and we're going to talk about the different types of clouds because not every cloud is the same, just like my lovely, lovely students.